Hi guys, this is just a quick comparison video. Please excuse the mess around here in my shack. This is just a quick comparison video, what to expect with regards to noise from HF rigs when your cable is unplugged. This is coax plugged to TS690 down here and TS520 up here. This coax, both of them are about 1 meter long, and as you can see they are not connected to any antenna. I don't have any ferrites here unfortunately, but I have a laptop here, so there is a little bit of noise in the shack, but not in any way excessive. So looking at the more modern radio, this is currently on LSB, antenna disconnected, and I'm now going to maximum volume. As you can see, there is quite a bit of noise. Also the noise depends on the filters. If I change the filters to, let's say, almost no extra filters, then we have this kind of noise. And then if I disable the noise blocker, actually, yeah, and the processor, there is quite a bit of noise on max volume. I'll let you hear it again. There we go, that's Kenwood TX690. This is a much older beast. This has a station monitor there and an external VFO. And the tuner, but the tuner is not connected currently. The cable from the back of this TX520 goes to the station monitor, and from there it comes to here and it's disconnected. Now this is connected. This is currently on LSB now, on the 3.5 80 meter band, and I have the RF amplification for maximum, and let's hear how it sounds on max volume. That's the external speaker, by the way. I don't know if you can hear the difference, but to me this sounds like 5 times less noise than the other radio. And a different kind of noise too. So there you go, that's the comparison. Both radios are perfectly fine. I make lots of contacts on both of them. The TS690 also is used for some digital modes. Here is my setup. Perhaps I'll make a video about it at some point. Yeah, thanks for watching.